Hello, my name is Aiden Gutierrez, and my presentation will be on the Holocaust hero Oskar Schindler. My first question is, what was this person, and what were his or her primary accomplishments? There are a couple bullet points on there that briefly describe what he did and who he was, but I'll explain about what this question means. Oskar Schindler was a German industrialist and individual from the Nazi Party who is credited with saving the lives of 1,200 Jews during the Holocaust by hiring them in his enamelware and ammo processing plants in Poland and the Protectorate of Bohemia and Moravia. He worked in several trades until he joined the Abwehr, the military intelligence service of the Nazi Germany, in 1936. He joined the Nazi Party in 1939. Prior to German occupation of Czechoslovakia in 1938. He collected information on railways and troop movements for the German army. My second question is, how and why did he or she resist? What was his or her personal reasons for doing so, and the context in which they chose to resist? So I believe that many speculate that the reasoning for his resistance was due to his childhood. He grew up in a strong Catholic household, and his parents were deeply religious. The nearest neighbors that he had were also a Jewish rabbi family, and had two sons, which were Oscar's closest friends for years. I believe that this is the most reasonable of explanations for his suddenly odd actions, because of his well-known reputation, and he had nothing to lose. How was he able to resist and escape the temptation to obey the Nazis? During his time as an intelligence officer, Schindler witnessed the despicable things that the Nazis performed and had done to Jews. These acts of hatred most likely, I think, triggered something in his moral compass that led to him to do what he had done. His conscience was his guide and derived him from being tempted by Nazi shams. I believe that was it. This is my works cited page. Thank you.